Predictive projects spend a lot of time on planning, and sometimes there may not be enough time to fully plan things out, or maybe the opportunity cost, the things that we can't do because we have to plan, is too great. They also can be perceived as change resistant. Because they won't just accept change, it has to go through some process. It can be hard for a waterfall project to adjust its course as it goes. And it might not be suitable for every project. Typically, predictive projects are ones where you can actually sit down and think through everything that should happen. So if the end goal isn't fully understood, or if things could change drastically, predictive might not be the best methodology.